This video explains how you can send multiple photos in WhatsApp. For that, go to the WhatsApp and then click on the contact to which you want to send the message or multiple photos. Then click on this plus button at the bottom. Click on photo and video library. Then select the photo that you want to send. And if you want to send some more photos, just click on the plus button at the bottom. There you can see there is a plus button. Just click on that. And now you can select multiple photos like that. You can see that multiple photos can be selected. And then click on done at the top, and after that you can click on this arrow button, blue arrow button. Thanks for watching this video.